The Battle of Castle Itter, Allies and Germans fighting side by side. Location: Castle Itter, a medieval castle in the Austrian Alps, became the stage for an extraordinary battle during the closing days of World War II. Diverse prisoners: the castle housed a diverse group of prisoners, including French VIPs, former government officials, and even a tennis star, Jean Borotra. SS departure: as the SS retreated, the prisoners found themselves in a leadership vacuum, with Borotra taking charge. Allied and German forces, a mixed group of French prisoners, Wehrmacht soldiers, and Austrian resistance members defended the castle against the approaching SS. Captain Jack Lee's arrival: American Captain John C. Jack Lee Jr. and his small group of soldiers responded to the prisoners' plea for help. German defectors, Wehrmacht soldiers, led by Major Joseph Gangl, defied orders to destroy the castle and joined forces with the prisoners and the arriving Americans. SS assault: the SS, unaware of the unusual alliance, launched an attack on Castle Itter. Makeshift defenses: the defenders, armed with a single Sherman tank, rifles, and whatever weapons they could find, held their ground. Role of the Sherman tank: Sergeant Kenneth E. Hunter, an American, operated the Sherman tank, which played a crucial role in repelling the SS forces. French resistance: former members of the French resistance among the prisoners actively participated in the defense. Intense battle: the battle was fierce, with close-quarters combat inside the castle and the surrounding area. Death of Major Gangl: Major Gangl was killed while attempting to secure reinforcements, a significant loss for the defenders. Prisoner liberation: despite the challenges, the defenders successfully repelled the SS, and the prisoners were liberated. End of World War II. The Battle of Castle Itter occurred on May 5, 1945, just days before Germany's official surrender. Complex alliance: the battle is unique for the temporary alliance formed between former enemies, American, French, and German forces. Posthumous recognition: some individuals involved in the battle received posthumous recognition for their bravery. Documentary and books: the Battle of Castle Itter has been documented in various books and documentaries, highlighting its historical significance. Survivor testimonies: survivors of the battle shared their experiences, providing first-hand accounts of this remarkable collaboration. Historical symbolism: the battle symbolizes the complex and shifting allegiances in the final days of World War II. Legacy of cooperation: Castle Itter remains a symbol of human cooperation, even in the midst of war. Educational value: historians analyze the battle for its tactical aspects, adding to our understanding of wartime dynamics. Memorialization: a memorial plaque at Castle Itter commemorates the events of that day and the individuals involved. Visitor interest: Castle Itter attracts visitors interested in exploring this unique piece of World War II history. Symbol of unity: the Battle of Castle Itter continues to be cited as a symbol of unity amid adversity. Remembrance: the story of Castle Itter serves as a reminder of the resilience of the human spirit and the capacity for cooperation, even in the darkest times.